Hey guys, this is video 2 of History Explorer YouTube videos. Today we're going to discuss the shortcomings and missing features of the History Explorer web application. Essentially, we wanted an interactive Google Maps where you can search for a specific place. As long as searching for it, you're able to see different places within a certain radius, connect to them and generate a route. So essentially, you can do a virtual tour of these historical sites. One in the search bar, as well as Google's already information about it, links to their media files. There's audio files, images, documents, which will take you here. Here you'll be able to play them or download them, read them, images. Essentially, later on she wanted to add a premium account. So this will be discussed within the web application, but she wanted it so that people can download them if they have premium accounts. Two other ideas was, since we wanted to generate routes and have them saved, a saved routes page would also be necessary. So if you have a trip to Georgia and you want to go visit X, Y, and Z, you don't have to write down your information. You just go back on the app and say, oh, okay, I remember this, and regenerate the route. Another thing is, because social media is used out there like crazy, and now trending, which will show obviously the trending. We also wanted a recommendation button, which would be a feature discussed later. Shortcomings is we could not get the Google Maps to display as such in the original map screen. The API version 2 of Google Maps took out the info window and a lot of its features, and therefore once you implement it and you click on it, it normally crashes. If somebody can figure out, that'd be great. But at the current moment, we have a marker which click on it and it will show the name of the place and whichever continent it's on. You can search for major places and it will search within the world. Once you click from the main menu, once you click into the Explorer, you're taken to this page, which will give a list of all the places within the database. And then Explore on your own will take you to this screen. Show places on map will show all these places within the map. Then if you select one of these places, you're able to get all the details about it in this page, and then this media button link button will link you to the media page without documents. The media page was not implemented to accept which place was there. The ability is there. The page has already been displayed and created. Just to give you an overview of the missing features: displaying the media files associated with a single place, playing, downloading, reading, displaying any of the media files, the ability to generate route, save, as well as opening a saved route, filtering out generated routes or sites, the ability to just go to the search bar and say I want everything that's open after 5 o'clock. The ability to see the historical site's timeline. This is implemented within the web app, which we'll discuss later, as well as recommending a site and then integrating these two maps into one zone. As I said, the Google API key only allows 100 hits per day.
The following is a list of shortcomings for the web application. Due to time constraints and priority, this is basically the only label that is functional out of the dashboard. Also, the History Explorer login page currently has no functionality to it, so anyone can log in. None of the system access, groups, users, permissions, none of these are working. The task page is not implemented. All of this is mocked up for future efforts. The mail page, though it shows the actual feedback from the users, you're not able to click on it and see the details of the emails. As also, these emails, they will load infinitely for as long as there are emails. There's no pagination and no search. There is currently no functionality to delete feedback. and creating tasks from emails is not implemented. For bugs, in the places, the Google Maps user experience is affected if the user zooms out beyond the limit of the map. Every marker on the map gets downloaded at load time, which means heavy loads of information, which could both impacts the database and impacts the user experience, given that it would take a long time to load eventually. Also, there are some timing issues between the framework that was used, which is Angular, and the markup, which is HTML5. Also, as a bug, you can see here, the data tables will not show up if the connectivity is faulty or slow. And when creating a place, if you select a street instead of an establishment, you will receive random data and inaccurate data.